Today I would like to show you how to use the trace function in ArtRage. You will need a reference photo. One of your own or one downloaded from the internet. There are many sites where you can download free images to use for reference which are copyright compliant. Pixabay and Unsplash are a couple I use. Load the reference image into the tracer panel. Move the opacity slider to 100%. Adjust the scale to fit the image on the canvas. Trace the reference photo. When you have done this, close the eye on the reference panel revealing your tracing. Begin to paint, by either choosing your colors, or automatically choose colors from tracing image. For this demonstration, I chose colors from the image. I have finished painting the rose and added a textured background. I will show how in another video should anyone feel they would be interested. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and that you will be encouraged to try this. This tracing feature is available in ArtRage 6 and ArtRage Vitae, as well as the mobile versions, Android and iOS. Thank you for watching.